The United Nations Agency for Palestinian Refugees (UNRWA) has warned that 1 in 5 children in Gaza City is malnourished, with the number growing daily. UNRWA Commissioner General Philippe Lazzarini described the situation as dire, quoting a colleague who said, "People in Gaza are neither dead nor alive, they are walking corpses." Over 100 international aid and human rights groups have raised alarms over potential mass starvation, urging immediate global intervention. Despite controlling access to Gaza, Israel denies imposing a siege and blames Hamas for the humanitarian crisis. However, the UN says the flow of aid into Gaza remains a trickle, and the level of hunger is unprecedented. Lazzarini reported that more than 100 people, most of them children, have died from hunger. Most children our teams encounter are severely malnourished and at high risk of death unless they receive urgent treatment, he said, appealing for unrestricted humanitarian access. The World Health Organization (WHO) also raised serious concerns, with Director General Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus calling the situation mass starvation, and it's man-made. On the ground, residents describe life as a daily struggle for survival. Hana Almadhoun, a 40-year-old mother of 3 in northern Gaza, said basic food items are either unavailable or unaffordable. "We've sold gold and personal belongings just to buy flour," she told the BBC. "I've seen children digging through garbage for food." Aid worker Tahani Shahada added, "Even cooking and bathing are now luxuries. My 8-month-old baby has never tasted fruit." Israel halted aid shipments in early March after a ceasefire ended. A new system, managed by the Gaza Humanitarian Foundation (GHF) with U.S. support, was launched but has drawn criticism. According to the UN Human Rights Office, more than 1,000 Palestinians have been killed by Israeli forces while trying to access food aid, including 766 near GHF-run centers located inside Israeli military zones. Another 288 were killed near UN and other aid convoys. Israel claims its forces only fire warning shots and blames Hamas for inciting violence near aid sites. The GHF also disputes casualty figures, calling UN data false. Fears of violence have left many Gazans too afraid to seek food. Naja, a 19-year-old widow living in a hospital, said she risks being shot if she goes to an aid site. "We're starving. We live in tents. We are finished." Dr. Asil, working with a UK medical charity, said Gaza is already experiencing famine. "My